today we are making no-bake zucchini bread. I've got my zucchini here, and I am going to peel and shred my zucchini. So now what I do is I just hold it. First of all, this is a super easy way to dispose of your vegetable scraps. If you want to make it all compostable, just put it on newspaper and throw the whole thing in your compost. I forgot one of the best inventions ever, my anti-scrape your knuckles on the grater gloves. I will link these in the description below. Now, you can use zucchini bread or cake recipe if you want. I am using one with a box mix. The recipe will be in the description below. If you need a good zucchini bread recipe, our Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 1, the red one, is on sale right now. And it is not that much harder to just make homemade zucchini bread if you want, but you don't have to, of course. So, all right, and then I need a 1/4 cup of milk or water. I am using up my dry milk here. And I'm going to use milk just to give it extra flavor. Okay. Got my milk, and you can just throw this thing straight in the washer, but it's beautiful because you don't get scraped knuckles. All right, and then my ground cinnamon, then my eggs, cake mix right here. Ooh, that looks good. Maybe I should try that one next. Oops, oh dear, did not mean to do that. Okay, scrape it off. There we go. Okay. And my cake mix, yellow cake mix. Oops. Forgot I was going to use the spatula. Okay, now we're going to mix this all together. Now this is a no-bake recipe. You're going to heat your waffle iron. This cute little thing is in the description below. I absolutely love it. It makes perfect waffles. All right, I'm going to show you my 2 oil things. Normally, I use my refillable oil, but I got this at a garage sale for $1, the restaurant size. So, need to be getting it used up because it's almost expiring. And oil is something that you can't really stockpile that long. So, all right. Oh, yum. All right, we're gonna go and do the rest. You guys don't want to make it in the little thing. You can use the big waffle maker or make these into pancakes also. Please go watch this video next. Visit us at livingonadime.com.